Okay, welcome back. So today we are going to London's Portobello Market, based next to Notting Hill Gate and Portobello, obviously. We've got Ladbroke Grove around the corner. This area is mostly known for having its luxurious houses, beautiful houses, extremely nice housing around here. It's non-stop mansions. There's nothing like this. Definitely not like my hair looks crazy today. But yeah, everything around here is beautiful. My goal for today is to get these two watches fixed. I've got the straps broken on them. They do have cheap jewelry and little watch repair centers and whatnot. So let's go check it out. Even the churches around here are nice. See if we can get in. I guess mass is closed today. But bloody hell. If you can see that, it's quite nice. Check it out. They close all this stuff in the summer. Nice art jewelry. Things they sell. Let's go this way. Properly packed today. As far as I can see. So yeah, this is it. It's proper touristic, man. It's full of tourists throughout the year. Empty stuff. This is the kind of stuff I want to find. Oh, look at that. Fucking nice, huh? That's some serious elephant work. Imagine having that in the front door. Just by the front door. That looks serious. I wonder where they get all this stuff from. I wonder if it's even real. Twin fishes. Alright, let's try to get these watches fixed, man. Very good. Caribbean t-shirt. Some Burberry. I wonder how much all these are. So we can buy some rings here. Sterling silver for £20, not bad. It is a bit dirty though. That's hardcore. Not for me though. Yeah. I just want a new strap. How much would it be for a battery and a new strap?
Strap will cost you £15.
£15, yeah? For each? You see? You don't have just a pin?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
If you want, I can do.
No, I think the strap, yeah, this is a good strap. I think it's fine with that. How much would it be for a new strap for this one?
£15.
Okay.
ગાડી હોય તો of course આપણે પગમાં જઈને 3 દિન પર મૂકી
And the batteries?
£5.
£5 each. So 40 quid in total.
ગાડીનો ખર્ચો
Can you go lower for both?
Hey, બે સ્ટ્રેપ બે બેટરી એમાં શું થઈ શકે?
Because you're not changing the strap on that, it's just the pin.
પિન
Yeah.
પિનના £5 ચાર્જ કરે અને બેટરીના £5. કેટલા બે છે બેયમાં પિન જ છે? ના એ સ્ટ્રેપ બદલાવવું હોય તો 40 તો 40માં હું ઓછું કરી દઈશ 35 વાત કર સ્ટ્રેપના કેટલા ચાર્જ કર્યા તે 15 mate, I can't do reduction in a battery.
Yeah.
But because you are giving like 2 jobs
Yeah.
together, I can give you like £5 discount. That's all I can do.
For the pin, you can't go down
No.
to £5? The pin's
Yeah,
cheap.
if you want just a pin.
I don't
not
want the strap for this one. I just want the pin. I
Okay.
just want it to be put back together.
Okay, pin I charge you for this £5.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you want battery as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, £10 for this job. And what about this?
That just so £10. Can I do the same for this one? £20 for both. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's do that. You see that, sir? I just got £20. They try to charge me 40 quid. So we got a little £20 off. Hustle and borrow with the bug. So we're coming back in 10 minutes to do that, to get that. Quite happy with that. Now let's go try and find some rings or something. Well, that's nice. How much does this go for?
£40, sir.
Wow. Are these genuine? I've never seen one in person, man. Do you know what they're made of? Nice one. Thank you. So yeah, that's most of Portobello Market. It goes all the way up there as well. And then go down there. We're just waiting for the watches to get fixed. And then I think we'll leave. Try to find something to eat or something. So yeah, man. That's where we came from. Let's go across the road.
Ga jij maar eerst. Ik doe hem rechts. Zou jij de andere kant hier doen?
That's brilliant.
Dan ga je zo aan die nog een keer van de
Check this out. Just perfect for the middle of summer. £500 for that. That is crazy. They do feel nice though. Check this out. It's fucking nice, man. It's a little restaurant. Great movie. £10 watches. It's quite nice. So this is what I'm talking about when all the tourists have it. They're all taking the pictures in front of the shops. It's like a photo shoot. Why? I really don't know. Probably because this is not in here. So ducks. You can't forget that I love London t-shirts. These are brilliant. They look great on girls though. I That's something you don't really get. Sugar cane. Love this stuff. £3. It's crazy. I opted for a mango one instead. With this summer, it's nothing better. Alright, let's go check if the watch is done. Hopefully they stick to the price. We've gone down from £40 to £20. So that's half price. So let's see. So yeah, check it out. They fixed the watch for £20. And it's working. This one as well. A little 60-second thing. And I still don't understand why the hell everyone's taking pictures here. Proper touristy. That's weird, man. I guess they want to show all their friends at home. So yeah, man. Let's go check some more stuff out. We checked this part out, which is mostly the jewellery part and clothes and whatnot. I know there's another part over there, and it's like more vintage clothes or second-hand clothes. So it goes on for quite a bit. It's like two miles of just market. I say 2 miles, but maybe it's like a mile and a half. It's not a lot. Check those houses out. Proper nice houses. We're now proper Portobello. They're selling mirrors. Mix a bit of water. Then there's me with my crazy hair. So this part gets way more like markety. This is the proper market. It was down there just now, but that was more for the watches. Now let's vinyls, anything you like, they sell here. I do, man. Do you buy cameras? I've got this camera here. I was wondering if you're interested in it. No? Oh, well, yeah. I've been trying to get rid of this little camera for ages. But the film and the inside cartridge costs more than the camera itself, so it's not even worth it. It's quite a nice camera. It's a decent camera for its time. It's like 50 years old, but it's just, yeah, it's just expensive to get the film. The film, they don't make it anymore. So yeah, but I think Brazil might be playing today. So that's why you see loads of Brazil t-shirts. They are in the middle of the World Cup. So these are in the middle celebrating. I realised that whenever I put my face this close in, it just looks like my nose. So yeah, man. So yeah, this is where we wrap it up. Portobello Market is right next to Ladbroke Grove, so this would be Ladbroke Grove Station just over here. It's Ladbroke Grove. That's Portobello Market. We came in through the other side. So yeah, that's a wrap to the video. On to the next.